Hey guys, today I'm working with a newer Kenmore HE washer and it is in excellent condition. Right now I'm getting a load started and I have taken off the lid lock switch here so that we can actually see it. Otherwise you would not be able to open this up. It locks, so it's kind of a cool safety feature, but for the purpose of testing so that you can see everything works, I have gone ahead and pulled it off. So it's an auto sensing basket. That's what it's doing right now. It's trying to tell how big the load is. One thing that's really nice though about this washer, as opposed to some of the other HE ones, is it's not a low water usage. You can actually set the water usage here. So you'll see here in a minute, it uses plenty of water. It doesn't shortchange the water, so your clothes get nice and clean. It's got a real strong agitation. So I'm gonna let this go ahead. It's gonna fill up with water and start, and I'll come back on the agitation, and then I'm gonna show you that it drains like it should, and then the spin cycle, that it sounds good, nice smooth operation, all that. So we're gonna let it get going here and we'll come back to it. Okay, and we're into the wash. It gives you kind of a guide there to tell you where it's at in the cycle. Go and lift this up and show you. Plenty of water on that heavy load. Jeans, towels, kind of mix everything in there, but it's pretty heavy load. You can see plenty of water. It's doing a really good job agitating as well, and it's got like 3 different speeds, I believe, for how it agitates. So that's it there on the wash and agitation. Okay, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle, and it's draining the water out now. You can hear it draining there. Drain's working perfect, just like it should. So it's going to refill, it'll agitate on the rinse cycle, and then we'll be into the final spin. So I'm going to come back for the final spin, that way you can see that it sounds great, nice smooth operation, and then we'll move on to the dryer. Alright guys, here we go into that final spin cycle. It's got the pump running as it spins here. See, it's spinning nice and fast. There again, you wouldn't be able to open this once I put that back together, but for testing purposes. And it goes through this cycle 3 times, where it's going to stop spinning, kick the drain on, and then respin 3 times to make sure it gets all the water out of those clothes. But I just wanted you to see that it was nice, smooth, not jumping around or making any weird noises or anything like that. Of course, the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. We make sure everything mechanically and electrically works perfect before it leaves my care here. So that's going to be it on this one. We'll move over to the dryer and go from there. Okay guys, today I've got a less than 1-year-old Amana, which is built by Whirlpool, electric dryer. Now it has several timed heating options here: high heat, low heat. It's got the cool down, the anti-wrinkle, delicate, and then air dry. So it's just about got it all. Still in like new condition. There are a couple little spots that I'm going to touch up. So once I've done touched it up, it will be essentially like new again. And I'm going to show you real quick. I've got a load of clothes in here. Nice wet clothes from a washer we just got through testing. And hit go there and let you hear it. As you can see, it sounds great. Nice, stable. No weird noises or not hopping around, anything like that. All things you'd want to check for, but like I said, this one's still basically brand new. But I still go through, still gets the same 22-point inspection, go through, clean everything out. Wasn't much to clean, but I do it anyway. Check all the electrical components, everything gets checked on it. And I'm going to show you real quick with my surface temperature gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So whatever I shoot between those 2 red dots, it's going to measure that surface temperature. So let's see here. Open this up right inside the heating element tube. See, it's nice and hot there, and the heat actually comes out of that tube. The heating element is kind of located down here in the back, so the heat comes out, and then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 up to about 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting up there set at. So let's hit go. And that's it on this guy. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.